Xbox Cloud Gaming now works on iOS devices and PCs. Microsoft has up-to-date the streaming service to run on the net. Microsoft's Xbox Cloud Gaming streaming service now could be performed on internet browsers for iOS units and home Windows 10 PCs, so long as you've a Recreation Move Final subscription. In a recent blog post, Microsoft has confirmed that Xbox Cloud Gaming is now powered by new Series 10 hardware, and which you could start streaming video games in your iOS system or PC. Game Pass Ultimate subscribers can go browsing utilizing the browser on their iPhone, iPad, or PC and begin taking part in immediately. Whereas Xbox Cloud Gaming has been playable on Android devices, it is a first for Apple customers. The Xbox Cloud Gaming service gives most of the anticipated perks of sports streaming, like carrying saves throughout a number of units and never having to fret about hardware specs. It additionally affords customized contact controls for cell customers, along with the ability to use supported cell controller equipment. Utilizing a cell system additionally has the good thing about movable play, assuming you've a robust sufficient web connection. Once you're streaming video games on a PC or cell system, your sport is taking part in from Xbox hardware, in a Microsoft data center. Mentioned Catherine Gluckstein, Vice Chairman and Head of Product for Xbox Cloud Gaming, within the weblog put up. This implies you possibly can soar right into a sport, join with your mates, and play via the Xbox community simply as you've at all times performed. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.